Hello, I'm Miles Tails per hour. We will learn about kinetic and potential energy. In this part, a kinetic energy is the energy in a body due to its motion. It is defined as the work needed to accelerate a body of a given mass from rest to its stated velocity. Suppose, Sonic runs so fast, right? Let's meet him. Sonic, what's your weight?
50 kilograms.
What's your speed?
About 40 to 50 meters per second.
Okay, we'll find out the kinetic energy of a formula. Basically, we can write half times mass times the square velocity. When we solve this, if your weight is 50 kilograms and speed be 50 meters per second, the unit is measured in joules. We get 62,500 joules, or 62.5 kilojoules. That means, you have a high power.
Yeah. I have lots of strength.
If suppose, in this question, if the final velocity has changed to 40 meters per second instead of 50, for initial velocity, what is the difference of kinetic energy in joules? The answer is 2,500 joules, as a difference. If you have divided by the unit of time in seconds, you mean joules per second is equal to watts. Just like, you can compare it with electrical energy, learning from Percy the Bandicoot. Suppose from the first question, if you have divided by the time taken, for example, 1 second, which is equal to 2,500 watts, or 3.33 horsepowers. Each horsepower is equal to 750 watts.
About 3/4,000?
Yeah. On the other hand, we'll talk about potential energy, the energy held by an object because of its position relative to other objects. The formula is given by mass times the gravitation, times the height. If suppose, when you live in the Earth, the gravity you can approximately take 10 meters per second squared. And, for example, if the height is 2 meters that you have climbed, we get 1000 joules. As similar, you can find out the height difference, just like in velocity difference in kinetic energy. In the next part, we'll learn about the mechanical energy. Like, comment, and subscribe now.